Hi, my name is Anders Karlsson. I'm the CEO of Humbly, and I'm here today at ISE 2025 to show you some of our new features. And some of you may recognize this awesome 3D floor plan that we have that allows our users to get a quick and easy overview of what's available and what's booked in their vicinity. And I think it's a really good way to make interactive bookings and to get a good visualization of the booking status. But one new thing that we're adding now is the possibility to also search for either colleagues. For example, I'll search here for Carl Hampus, and I'll see he's booked this parking space here. He has this desk over here, and actually, for some reason, he has booked 2 spaces here today. I think it has something to do with ISE and demos. But it also can be used to search for, let's say I know that I have a meeting later today in this room called Dubai, but I'm uncertain which part of the building that's in. So I'll just search for Dubai, and it will give me the location to make it easier for me to find my place where I need to go. So yeah, this is one of the new interesting features we're showing here at ISE this year. If you're interested in this and other new features, you're welcome to visit us here or at our website, which is humbly.com. Thank you.